Hey YouTube, this is Gary again. Been a long time since I've been on here. Here, let me turn this over. Get my fingers out of it. I have been working and working. But the main reason I haven't been doing any gun videos is because I have arthritis so bad in my hands and my wrist that once I work all day, I flat don't feel like doing much. And that's my excuse, and I'm sticking with it. One of these days I'm going to retire. I'm old enough, but then I'll have to stay home and put up with that animal there that you can barely see. But she seems to think that everything that we bring into this house is hers. But I guess that's just the way cats are. But anyway, what I wanted to show you, yeah, you guys seen all this last year, all the Christmas village and all this, Santa Claus and all that. Well, I've been kind of playing around with something different. I bought this radio, literally 43 years ago at a garage sale. And I've carried it with me through several moves and one marriage and in the midst of another marriage, but I still have the radio. But I saw some videos on YouTube about these guys restoring radios, and I happened to run into a guy. My wife even got Santa Claus on top of my radio. I ran into a guy that works on these old radios, and I kind of hooked up with him and took us over here, or over there, and he put new capacitors and aligned it and this and that. I don't have a proper antenna on it right now. It needs a long wire outside. I just got a fine wire strung through the living room there. But
which is why it's so important to open up to your doctor about all your symptoms.
But
the good news is, EPI is
it works.
Go to identifyepi.com, complete the symptom checker, and use it to have a conversation with your doctor.
That way the little Santa Claus mouse can listen to the sports or whatever. Anyway, we got lights outside again, of course, and stuff all over the house. But then I got to looking on Craigslist, all right around Thanksgiving, Christmas stuff over there and on the table. And I ran into a guy who wanted to sell this radio. It's a Westinghouse. I can't remember the model number right off the top of my head, but I was impressed because it has, get it down there where you can see, it's got FM on it. And the gentleman I bought it off of, his father bought it new in 1946 or 1947. And he still had it, and he decided it sat unworking down in his basement long enough. It's time to find it a new home. So I made the trip up there. It's up north of where I live, about, 120 miles, something like that. I drove up there the day after Thanksgiving and met with him up there and ended up bringing it home with me. I lucked out, the cabinet is in excellent condition. All I did was clean it up, and I mean, you know, the numbers are nice and bright and clear, and I think these large knobs here looks to me like they're sun faded. But anyway, all I did was clean that cabinet and use this finish restore stuff on them. You just wipe it on and wipe it off, and if it's got any little, you know, fine scratches, it kind of fills them in and colors them, and it turned out pretty good. I probably should have put a new grill cloth in it. I just haven't done that yet. But it's a pretty good player.
Route 39 between Mansfield and Shelby. Did you know that children who play at museums are better prepared for school
But,
and life? Richland Bank is
the FM is nice because
at the Little Buckeye
the
Children's
AM in my area here
Veterans, active duty
is
military,
awful.
and underserved children. And I think
trying to get anything. But it's just AM, FM, no shortwave on that. The Philco over there, that's, forgot to tell you, that's like a Model 131 from 1939. And so it's been around for a while. And it has shortwave on it. But when I bought that, I bought it in a box at a garage sale for like $10. And the radio wasn't in the cabinet, and the speaker wasn't in the cabinet. It was in another box, and the case was the finish was just peeling off of it all over. So if I remember right, I scraped it the rest of the way off with razor blades and then steel wool and whatnot, and I actually finished it with true oil gunstock finish. And it's, you know, like I said, that was 40 years ago, and the finish still looks excellent on it. But anyway, that's kind of where I'm at right now. Sorry I haven't been around. There are lights outside. But yeah, I like that cabinet radio over there. But anyway, if I run into anything interesting I happen to be doing, I'll get a video out to you guys. I just want to be politically incorrect here and wish you guys all a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So we'll talk to you later. You guys have a good one. See ya.